This video is brought to you by North American Rescue, products with a mission. Warranty, cautions, and objectives are part of a detailed training program. Open the Simple Thoracostomy Kit and review all contents. Confirm indications and the absence of contraindications. Thoracic decompression should improve one or more of the following life-threatening problems. Identify landmarks. Female patients may present with additional tissue that must be reflected. Cleanse site according to protocol or standard. Incise tissue to depth of rib. Carefully confirm depth. Penetrate pleural cavity. Carefully insert finger into pleural cavity and sweep for adhesions. Remove finger and monitor patient. Consider hyphen vent chest seal if patient is spontaneously breathing. Monitor your patient for complications. Always keep abreast of the latest scientific evidence and change in clinical practice.